How to clean your air fryer. Have you ever opened your air fryer after weeks of use and thought, wow, this looks way dirtier than I expected? Grease splatters, burnt crumbs, and stubborn odors that just won't go away. What if I told you that cleaning your air fryer the wrong way could actually damage it and ruin your food? Today, I'm going to show you the exact steps to clean your air fryer safely, easily, and effectively so it lasts longer and cooks better. Before we dive in, hit the like button and subscribe because your kitchen deserves this kind of care. Let me take you to a common scene in many kitchens. You're excited to make crispy fries or juicy chicken with your air fryer. It's quick, it's easy, and it's healthier. But after a few uses, you notice a smell and maybe a little smoke. You open the basket and see grease buildup, old food bits stuck in the corners, and that stubborn residue that just won't come off. You start to wonder, is this normal? Am I cleaning it wrong? Or worse, is my air fryer broken? You're not alone. This is exactly what happened to me the first time I used my air fryer. I was thrilled with the convenience, but the cleanup, it felt overwhelming. And worse, after one careless cleaning attempt, I scratched the basket's non-stick coating and thought I ruined the whole thing. That frustration made me dive deep into understanding how to care for this beloved kitchen gadget properly. Why cleaning your air fryer matters. Your air fryer isn't just a gadget. It's a tool that helps you eat better and save time. But if it's dirty, here's what really happens. Food can taste off because of leftover grease and residue. Over time, grease buildup can cause smoke, making your kitchen unpleasant. And the worst? That grime can damage the heating element, reducing your air fryer's lifespan. You don't want to replace your air fryer every few months, do you? Plus, there's a health angle you may not think about. Leftover grease and food debris can harbor bacteria and mold if not cleaned properly, especially if you're using it frequently. So, keeping your air fryer clean isn't just about aesthetics, it's about your health and safety too. Step 1. Safety first. Unplug and cool down. Before you reach for any cleaning tools, unplug your air fryer. Never clean it while it's still hot or plugged in. This is dangerous and can cause electric shocks or damage. Let it cool completely. Patience here is key. This simple step protects you and your air fryer from accidents. Have you ever rushed and burned yourself or damaged something? That's why safety first, every single time. Step 2. Remove and clean the basket and pan. Take out the basket and pan. These parts usually have non-stick coatings, so you have to be gentle. Use warm, soapy water and a soft sponge or cloth to clean them. If they're stuck on food, soak the basket and pan for about 10 to 15 minutes. Avoid abrasive scrubbers or steel wool, as they will scratch the surface and ruin the non-stick coating. Remember, once the coating is scratched, food sticks more, making future cleaning even harder. Have you ever ruined a pan because of a harsh scrub? It hurts, right? There's a better way. Step 3. Clean the interior. The inside of the air fryer can get greasy, but never submerge the whole unit in water. Use a damp cloth or sponge with a little dish soap to wipe the interior walls. For stubborn grease, mix baking soda with a few drops of water to form a paste. Apply the paste gently to greasy spots. Let it sit for 10 minutes, then wipe away. This natural method breaks down grease without harsh chemicals. Why baking soda? It's mildly abrasive and alkaline, which makes it excellent at dissolving grease and neutralizing odors, and it's safe for your appliance. Step 4. Tackle the heating element. One part people often forget is the heating element at the top of the fryer. It can accumulate grease and splatters, which cause smoke and unpleasant odors. Turn the fryer upside down carefully and use a soft brush or cloth to clean the heating element gently. Be very gentle. Damaging this part can be costly. If you're unsure, consult your manual or manufacturer's instructions before cleaning this part. Step 5. Clean the exterior. Don't ignore the outside. Wipe it with a soft cloth and mild detergent. Buttons and displays can be wiped carefully with a slightly damp cloth. Avoid spraying cleaners directly. Spray onto cloth first, then wipe. Your air fryer deserves a clean and shiny look too. Bonus tip. Deep cleaning routine. Once a month, do a deep clean by running the air fryer empty with a few slices of lemon or a teaspoon of vinegar in the basket. Run it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes. This helps loosen grease and remove odors. After it cools, clean the basket and interior as usual. This simple hack keeps your air fryer smelling fresh and prevents buildup from becoming stubborn. Extra tips for tough stains and odors. If you encounter really tough stains, avoid harsh chemicals or bleach. They can damage the coating or leave toxic residues. Instead, use natural cleaners like white vinegar or a paste of baking soda and water. For lingering odors, placing a small bowl of activated charcoal or coffee grounds near your air fryer overnight can absorb smells naturally. Imagine pulling out your air fryer basket and seeing it spotless. No grease, no stuck food, just fresh and ready for your next meal. Your kitchen smells clean, your food tastes better, and you feel proud of how well you care for your appliances. How good would that feel? It's not just about cleanliness, it's about respect for your tools and the joy of cooking. Your air fryer is more than a machine. It's a partner in your daily life. Treat it well. If you want even more cleaning hacks, time-saving tips, and product recommendations that really work, I have something for you. Get my 100% free top 10 cleaning products list and emergency speed cleaning checklist designed to make your cleaning effortless and efficient. Plus, join our free community made for women on School, where we share support, advice, and real-life solutions every day. Click a link in the description or in the pinned comment to join now. Trust me, you'll wonder how you managed without it. Cleaning your air fryer properly isn't hard, but it does require care, patience, and the right method. Avoid harsh chemicals, don't rush, and give attention to every part: the basket, interior, heating element, and exterior. With regular cleaning, your air fryer will last longer, cook better, and smell fresher. If you learned something new today, please hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more home and kitchen tips, because a clean kitchen is the first step to a healthy life. Thank you for watching. Have you tried cleaning your air fryer differently, or want to share your favorite recipes? Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Remember, a clean air fryer means happier meals and happier you. Take care, and see you in the next video.